Now we'll present a live demo of just 2 minutes on the website.
Thank you, Shubham. Dear students, if you have any doubt regarding this app, we keep after principal address and a vote of thanks. After that, we keep 10 minutes for question and answer and discussion. So Shubham Tange will explain how the website is used and how and all your queries will be discussed and solved. Okay. With this now, I request our beloved principal to motivate us regarding innovation.
Hello, namaskar. Very good afternoon, all of you. Respected Chairman of Vayanamaka Education Trust, Sri V. Bhairapasad, and respected Executive Director of DBIT, Sri V. Manjana sir, and also our Honorable Secretary of Vayanamaka Education Trust, Sri Raghav Bhairapasad. I welcome them for this launching event in their absentia. And I extend our thanks to our respected Executive Director for accepting our invitation. Though he is very busy, he came here and he motivated and he has given enough input for us and a lot of encouragement. And that itself shows that how management involving in encouraging our students who are thinking innovatively and doing innovatively. And there are so many wings started from past 6 to 7 months. More than 11 incubators are working inside the campus, and also if any student comes with some innovation, the management is ready to provide the infrastructure and other things. Just how our respected Executive Director informed to you all. I think we can take this information to all your student friends. If you have any innovative ideas, you can come forward and you can discuss with us. You can discuss with your respective H.O.D, so by that we will take it further, and definitely we will try to give a shape for your innovative idea. I thank the H.O.D of CSE for his encouragement to the student, Mr. Shubham Tange, and he is working on this from past 1.5 years, 2 years, and definitely some practical experiences make us to think to find the solution for the problems that we are facing in daily life. The same thing that he followed here, and really it is a good thing. And I thank and also I congratulate the entire team of CS department for encouraging him to do it. And of course, it's a little bit delayed, so he was very eager to launch this maybe 15-20 days back itself, because of unavoidable reasons that we couldn't make it, because someday we thought of inviting our Executive Director sir. Somehow we couldn't find his schedule, but anyway, we have succeeded in doing this by his hands. And I extend on behalf of everyone thanks to our Executive Director sir for accepting our invitation. Immediately sir came here and inaugurated this Zopstore platform. See here, this is the platform where, actually when he came up with this, I explained the experience. When I was in earlier college, one of the staff member, this is really happened in the other college. One of the H.O.D actually brought some student that he was like doing something which is not acceptable. He misbehaved with some lady teacher, and he misbehaved with the girls also. And we have received a complaint from him, and we took him action against him. And the same day, within half an hour, that sir also every day he used to come by car, and he used to park there. And in OLX, he started receiving calls. That boy after receiving the punishment, he went down. Somehow he messaged that car number and his teacher phone number to YRX. The car is for sale. Okay. And the teacher started receiving calls. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕಾರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಓಡಿದೆ, like that. See, this is what the personal experience and life experience what we have. So I have told him, so this website should not be misused by anybody. Let us restrict this to only DBIT students. And he designed this only to give the products or help friends, especially who are staying in hostel. That means in hostel, few students, what they will do, after using 2 or 3 years, mattresses they will throw away. And books, they cannot take it back to their residences if it is too far. Because students, if they want to go by flights, they cannot say their luggage restriction will be there. So such books will be thrown here, and that will be used by somebody, or will be giving it for scrap. So, or maybe bucket, maybe mug, or maybe they are shown like speakers and all. So this and all, okay, we can post it and we can do it, and we can help our friends, maybe juniors or seniors, whoever, right? And it will be slowly expanded. I mean, it will be given for day scholars also, and we can put it on platform, whatever that you want, and we can sell it or we can donate it, right? But in the meantime, my sincere advice, I asked him, he told that every student will be having a mail ID, and if their profile should be there, their contact number should be there. But anyway, you please give suggestions and any doubts that you have. My intention is like posting some pictures, I mean images, which is not acceptable, right? So that type of things they may use it like for sale. Some picture, some heroine photo they will post it, and for sale they will put some cost they will put. Get it or not? See, these are all say one student is equal to 100 monkeys. We know that, right? That's why please don't misuse the opportunity given. If you have, you please take this information to all your classmates and give the inputs. By that, you know, that should become more usable to everyone. And definitely we can say greatly that our DBIT designed this. In OLX, that is the thing that we come across a real experience. Of course, on the same day, if you can be able to like make a complaint, we can go to the cyber security there, we can make a complaint that we have received like this, though we don't have any intention to sell the car. So here also some teachers, like if you score some student, immediately if that person knows about their car number and mobile number, they will give the car image, they will take and they will put it in wireless. Right. I don't know the security. This is happened almost 8-9 years back. Maybe that wireless platform is there or not, I don't know. But such type of experiences, maybe you please look into it and you take help. That's what I cross-verified with the platform what he designed, and he has made some constraints. That means in Google forms some security he has given, but still computer cannot understand which type of image it is, whether it is car image or book image or heroine image. We don't know. And even computer cannot see that which type of image that you are posting. That also some restrictions are required. You please do trial and error and give valuable suggestions to him. So by that, this Zopstore app should become successful. And I thank all H.O.Ds, teaching staff and student friends. And please take this to all students of your sections, and you can make use of this in the right direction for right purpose, not for unwanted purpose. Right. And any security loops that you come across, you please let us know. You can inform to our H.O.D of CS, or you can inform to me, or directly you can inform to him. So by that, he will add some more code, or he will design the app in such a way that to increase more security thing. Or before posting, I think his permission is required, and he will check that image. Right? If it is acceptable, he will accept. Otherwise, he will not accept. I think that is the restriction barrier that he made. but we have to grow in such a way that computer should be in a position to check itself whether it is acceptable or not and do it. Anyway, it's a very good platform, and something is better than nothing. We have to try and try and try until we become successful. So in that way he tried, and really it's a good software and good application, and he has used Java to develop this app. Javascripting he used to develop this software, and I think last month I came across with one article that IIT students developed the same type of app that there's only belongs to books. Books means nearly 5 kilometers area, 10 kilometers area. If any graduate or any student, if they want some book, so they can post it in that particular website or app, and if any book is available within that 15 kilometers radius, that person can go and give that, and they will, maybe for money, they will collect some money and they will give back that, and they will give that particular product to them, and it's only for books. IIT students have decided, and I couldn't remember more information about that, but I think this is a similar type of app here, along with the books. So many other items also are available, and please make use of it, and I wish you all success, and you done a good job. And after this session, your friends, maybe your juniors, or maybe your classmates, they will come forward, and he will show you how to make use of this platform to dispose the things which you have used already, which it is not going to be useful for you in future, right? So that I think you can make use of it, and if you say yes, and with the permission from the designer and to you, you can take permission from Uma Shankar also, CSE H.O.D, and we will put it on department notice boards, and anything that you want to dispose, you can dispose it here. Dispose means not your residence items, only the items which is useful at college level, and don't put shoes and all, right? Shoes, clothes and all, please don't put, right? Books, so the items which will be used for this, right? That's why I told you, don't misuse the opportunity given to you people, right? Plus use it, we will see, right? And don't misuse it, and whatever the input that you want to give, you give it. And if you have any innovative idea like that, you please come forward. We will provide you the place here, and we will try to give a shape for that. And it is through Institution Innovation Council. And one thing I would like to share, I would like to congratulate our Dr. Shivkumar Dalali for his initiation taken, and our DBIT, under his coordinatorship, DBIT has got 4th place, equal to PMS College of Engineering under Institution Innovation Council. That means we have conducted so many programs and we have reached up to that level. So they will give maximum 5 marks. Out of that 5 marks, DBIT has got 4 marks within a span of 1 year. Really, it's a good achievement. I congratulate him and congratulate everyone for reaching up to that level. Thank you all for giving me the opportunity to speak few words on this wonderful occasion. I wish him all the best, and I congratulate him for the development what you did. And I think all your classmates, friends, and juniors, seniors, everyone will make use of this and give the valuable inputs. And if you have any doubts and any suggestions that you would like to do, you give that information to him. So by that, he will add more feathers to his innovation, and finally it will come out with a flawless product. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. The appreciation is extended to complete my team. It's not a single man effort. It is all the effort of the team. There are so many students are also involved in the team. I also extend that appreciation to the student team also. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I request our beloved H.O.D to give the vote of thanks.
So, good afternoon, respected Principal Dr. H.O.D sir, my dear H.O.Ds, faculty members, and my dear students. So, before thanking everyone who have contributed to the success of this event, okay, so let me take this opportunity to very briefly tell you something about our Institution Innovation Council, IIC. I would like to add to whatever Principal Sir has told about the achievement of our DBIT IIC. The concept of innovation is as old as mankind itself. So from the development of the wheel to the creation of the internet, innovation has been the factor that has set humans apart from other animals. Innovation is what drives the human spirit to find new and efficient ways of doing things. Without it, the world that we live in today would be vastly different. It is almost impossible to imagine a modern world without innovations. So according to the great academician Joseph Schumpeter, invention is the first occurrence of the idea for a new product or process. I'll repeat. Innovation is the first occurrence of the idea for a new product or process. Basically, each one of us will have a lot of ideas. Please note that ideas cannot be patented. What is important is we have to bring the ideas into execution. It has to come out as a product. Mr. Shubham acknowledged the principal as well as myself for the simple idea. Okay. So we will have multiple ideas, but what is important is it has to be put into practice. So Shubham has done that. Okay. So hearty congratulations. But innovation occurs when the idea is put into practice. We have demonstrated that here. Okay. So this Institution Innovation Council of DBIT will provide the platform for the ideas to get translated into products. Students who come with ideas will be nurtured, and we will ensure that the ideas get into products. So that is our vision. Total ranking of institutions on innovation achievements, so in short, ARIA, that is ARIIA, is an initiative of Ministry of Education, Government of India, to systematically rank all major higher educational institutions and universities in India on indicators related to innovation and entrepreneurship development amongst students and faculties. So they consider these following major indicators for considerations: the budget expenses to support and revenue generated 20%, infrastructures and facilities to provide innovations and startups 10%, awareness activities for promoting idea generation and innovation 20%, promotion and supporting entrepreneurship development 20%, intellectual property generation, technology transfer and commercialization 14%, innovative learning methods and courses 10%, and finally innovations in governance of the institution 6%. Considering all these major indicators, so ARIA is going to rank the institutions, and the ARIA ranking will certainly inspire the institutions to reorient their mindset and build ecosystems to encourage high quality research, innovation and entrepreneurship. More than quantity, it focuses on quality of innovations and will try to measure the real impact created by these innovations nationally and internationally. It will set the tone and direction for institutions like us for future development. so that we become globally competitive and we are in the forefront of innovation. And we are proud to say that DBIT IAC has secured 4-star rating. Okay, once again, congratulations to the entire IAC team. I express my sincere, heartfelt thanks to our management, Sri Bailappa sir, President, Vainamak Education Trust, Sri Raghav Bailappa, Secretary, and our beloved Executive Director sir, Sri B. Manjunath, who was present here, and so he launched the product. Also, I thank our Dean and Director R&D, Dr. Nataraj sir, who happens to be Vice President of IAC as well, and our respected Principal, Dr. Hemadri Naidu T. So for encouraging our student and motivating all others, we have invited all the representatives from the various classes. So I think our principal's words will be taken up very rightly, and our students will come up with similar activities. I request all the student representatives who are from different branches as well. So kindly go back to your classrooms, ensure that the information about IAC and our student achievement is informed to all your fellow students, and I want this information to reach each and every student. I request the kind cooperation of all the faculty members as well. So I sincerely thank all the student representatives who have come over here to witness the launch of the product. So from our young product developer, Mr. Shubham Dangi, 7th semester BE, Computer Science and Engineering. So I thank all the HODs, my colleagues teaching and non-teaching, for their gracious presence. Special thanks to our activity coordinator, IAC, Dr. Shivkumar Dalali, and all the student coordinators. So particularly Nihal Chaudhary, Aaron Chris Aroja, for their efforts in arranging this event and their contribution in its success. So once again, thank you. So one and all, so I thank all who have contributed directly or indirectly to the success of this event. So thank you very much. So please interact with Mr. Shubham for any clarifications, and also join us for tea. Thank you.